Artificial intelligence systems are not neutral. Every AI model reflects design choices, data limitations, and institutional priorities. The real challenge is not building AI systems. The real challenge is making ethical decisions when those systems create trade-offs. In this episode, we explore real-world ethical dilemmas in AI decision-making and how organizations navigate them responsibly. What is an AI ethical dilemma? An ethical dilemma occurs when two or more important values conflict. For example, accuracy versus fairness, efficiency versus transparency, automation versus human control, innovation versus safety. AI governance exists because these tensions are unavoidable. Case 1. Hiring algorithms. Many companies use AI to screen job applications. The goal: increase efficiency, reduce cost, improve objectivity. But here is the dilemma. If historical hiring data reflects bias, the AI system may replicate or amplify that bias. Now leadership faces a conflict. Do we prioritize predictive accuracy, or do we prioritize fairness and inclusion? Ethical governance requires bias audits, diverse training data, human review layers, transparent selection criteria. Without these safeguards, automation becomes discrimination at scale. Case 2. AI in healthcare prioritization. AI systems are used to predict patient risk and allocate medical resources. The ethical tension: maximize survival rates or ensure equal treatment access. An AI model optimized purely for efficiency might deprioritize vulnerable populations. Governance requires clinical validation, ethical review boards, equity testing, clear override authority. Healthcare AI cannot be purely mathematical. It must be ethically supervised. Case 3. Facial recognition and surveillance. Facial recognition technologies offer security benefits, crime prevention, identity verification, but they also create privacy invasion risks, bias against minority groups, potential misuse by authorities. The ethical dilemma: security versus civil liberties. Responsible deployment requires legal boundaries, strict access controls, independent oversight, transparency reporting. Without governance, trust erodes rapidly. The core ethical tensions in AI across sectors. Most dilemmas fall into four categories: fairness versus accuracy, transparency versus complexity, automation versus human oversight, innovation versus risk control. There is no perfect solution. Ethical governance is about structured decision-making under uncertainty. How organizations navigate ethical dilemmas. Mature organizations implement ethics review committees, AI impact assessments, scenario analysis, stakeholder consultations, escalation procedures for high-risk cases. They document decisions. They justify trade-offs. They create accountability trails. Ethics becomes a governance function, not a marketing statement. Why ethical governance creates strategic advantage. Organizations that handle AI dilemmas responsibly build long-term trust, reduce legal exposure, improve system reliability, strengthen brand reputation. Ethics is not weakness, it is strategic risk intelligence. AI systems shape opportunities, healthcare, finance, and public policy. The question is not whether ethical dilemmas will arise, they will. The question is, does your organization have the maturity to handle them responsibly? In the next episode, we will examine data governance and why data quality is the foundation of trustworthy AI systems.